Thank you for your questions. That was CJ Buat of CJ Says Vlog. Up next, we have Nurse Alon GMA Entertainment Digital.
Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, for siguro for JC and Bella muna. Yung sa 100 na tula, isang daang tula para kay Stella. How important is it para mabuo yung connection ninyong dalawa na maging effective as a partner or team up para doon sa mga sumunod din yung project eventually in this movie?
I think hindi kami umeffort. Parang, especially the first week na nag-shoot kami. Kasi sa characters naman namin sa una, hindi na talaga kami magkakilala eh. So, I think that added authenticity to the scenes. Pero, ano ba?
Kasi yung freshness din ngayon na nakita kami ulit after a few years. Parang same feeling pa din nung una kaming nakita.
Yung eksena sa pintuan. So, I guess, sinuswerte kami na yung mga characters na piniplay namin, they somehow also relate to or resonate sa kung ano nangyayari sa totoong buhay namin. Hindi ko alam kung timing ba yun or napagbibigyan kami ng tadhana, but it always works out that way. We very easily became friends nung first film. We have the same interests, we like watching the same kinds of movies. Kaya hindi mahirap to like each other as friends. Parang nadalian kami. Or ako at least, nadalian ako na maging kaibigan. He's very open, very, very generous with what he knows. Siyempre, hindi ako theater actress, pero ang sarap-sarap pakinggan ni JC when he talks about his life sa theater. I learned so much. So, nung nilipat ako ng London, he was one of the first people I asked, like, how do I do this? What does it feel like? Kasi he lived in New York, he took acting classes in New York. So, yung trust din namin sa isa't isa, it goes beyond work. So yun, I can reach out to him at any point. Yeah.
Actually, tama siya dun sa effortless na yung... Alam mo, na-test ko na to even sa... Magtitinginan lang kami nito kahit walang context. Kaya namin paiyakin yung isa't isa. So, umabot na kami dun sa, even sa, nung kay Direct Irene before, na umabot na kami sa, wala naman talagang script ng eksena, pero nagawa namin ang paraan. So, meron na kaming gano'n na gusto namin talagang magkwento, at gusto namin i-share yung kwento, at gusto namin makaramdam yung taong nanonood. That's I think, the common ground.
I think also, I personally felt, lucky charm ko to eh. Parang, since I met JC, all my films worked. Nagsunod-sunod. Kahit hindi siya yung katrabaho ko, nabigyan niya ng swerte yung buhay ko. So,
Grabe naman! Kaya hindi naman dyan.
Uy, hindi wala pa akong bonus. Hindi, pero seriously, Isang Daang Tula really was my first hit film. And I can't even say it was my first hit film, it's our first hit film. So, wherever I went after that, kung sino man makatrabaho ko, he gave me the confidence na your movies work out. So, for that, I'm always grateful to JC and I always look forward to working with him.
Kahit sinong pakita namin, lagi kami hinahanap eh. Kailan yung susunod na movie namin, so I guess lagi kami inaabang.
Kagabi, sa gas station, natanong saan ba't mo sinaktan si Fidel? Kuya, 8 years na yun.
Bukol din.
Yung nagagas yun napaisip nga baka kulang yun nilagay niyang gas. Kasi ganit pala siya kay Stella.
Pero ikaw, JC, matuturing mo rin bang Lucky Charms?
It's actually the same thing. That was also my first hit film in mainstream. Yun din po yung nagbigay daan sa akin sa mga susunod na projects. So, swerte din namin talaga yung isa't isa. So, lagi naman, may pelikula kami, lagi may nanonood at meron talagang following yung tandem. So, I guess, she's also my Lucky Charm.
And for my last question, kasi na-mention nyo na may mga disagree kayo dun sa mga traits ng respective characters ninyo. Without spoiling anything, kung meron kayong message for them, siguro pati na rin kay ano yung masasabi niyo sa mga characters ninyo? Mensahe niyo.
Sabihin ko kay Fidel, gear up, there's more.
Yeah. Yan na lang yung nasabi ko. Kay Stella, masasabi ko, proud ako sa'yo, nagbago ka na.
Para ikla, salamat nagpakatotoo ka.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Nurse Alma of GMA Entertainment Digital. Up next, we have Alan Santon of Stars Photo.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, congratulations.